and welcome in to be our guest, Ann Amsler. You are such a sweetheart. I love everything you do, and one of the main things that you are involved in, and something that I have been involved in for a long time, is Montgomery Christian School. And I hope our audience will learn something, and I would love for you to tell them what is different about Montgomery Christian School. What is the purpose?
Outstanding. I really think we have to start with the very foundation. Back in 2007, we started with 10 kindergarten children.
Right.
And the mission then and the mission today is to glorify God by providing a highly academic education within a Christian environment for families with limited school choice. And so we get to provide scholarship money for every child to attend MCSs on scholarship. So two things that really do set us apart here in Montgomery is every child being on scholarship, having a true financial need.
Okay.
And then also the parent involvement. The founders in 2007 believed in the involvement in the family and education, being a true partner in that. And so the vision is the same, to partner with parents to provide that education, to develop holistic maturity within children.
Yeah, I love the principles that the parents have got to be partners and be involved. And I love that it's in a Christian environment with great academic skills, and that we are building spirituality, and the Christian faith into these children. Let me ask you this. There are a lot of things that sound really good, but we never really get, what are the results? With the Montgomery Christian School, that's another thing that I love. What are the results?
There's so many results. I think not only are we impacting children educationally, relationally, spiritually, academically, we are impacting children, but it's also impacting the family, and in turn, it's impacting Montgomery. With having 170 children this year in K through 6th grade, we have great opportunities before us. There are two things that I also kind of go back to. If you're doing this, how can I know what you're doing is succeeding? And one, I would say, look at our test scores. We are accredited by different organizations such as ACSI, and we take standardized testing. So ours is the Iowa Test of Basic Skills. It's what my children took when they were in elementary school. And our children, on average, are scoring 150% above grade level.
I love that.
And so that's almost 2 whole grade levels above where they should be. So academically, we're succeeding, and that says so much, again, to the children, to the teachers in that classroom, and to the families investing in that education of their child. I look also at what happens after they finish with us in the 6th grade.
Right.
And they are wanted at partner schools throughout this community. In the last 8 years, every child that's gone to Montgomery Christian School has gone on to a local private school or a magnet school, because academically they're ready and they're on track with those schools. So that's exciting. Virginia, I look at our community and I see the 2020 census said 21.4% of the population of our city lives in poverty.
Yeah,
and of that,
sad.
Almost 22%, 50% have not or will not graduate high school. And we know when you don't graduate high school, your options are limited.
That's so true.
Your job options, your housing options, and financial stability are so limited. But the great news is, I kind of want to cheer when I say this, is now that we're in our 18th year, we have children that have graduated high school. 100% of the children who've gone to Montgomery Christian K through 5 have now graduated high school. So breaking that cycle of their families may be impoverished, but yet we've changed that cycle, and they are graduating high school, going on to universities. We have students at Auburn, AUM, Faulkner, Berkeley, and Boston. We have SCAD. We have students thriving all over, and we love seeing that success because it's lives changed. I was told this morning about one of our students who graduated last year, and it's really changed the trajectory of her family. And it's so beautiful to see that when she started at MCS, now she has a sibling at MCS that's much younger. She's graduated high school. She's thriving in college. She wants to be a teacher and come back and teach at Montgomery Christian School.
I love it.
And her family's doing well. Her parents are married. They're in a healthy home. And the whole family is succeeding. And it's so exciting.
When you change a life, you change your own life, and ultimately you change the world. And that's what we should be doing. And let me ask you this. So financially, how do you support that?
Oh, there's so many ways to support MCS. One, when I talk about support, I talk about three things. Prayer support. We love people to join us in praying for our students, staff, board, families. We love for people to come volunteer. Come see Montgomery Christian School and come volunteer. There are opportunities from shelving library books to reading to children to packing weekend food bags, because we have families that have food insecurity. But then financially, we really need financial partners, because every parent plays a vital role in education. They pay a portion of tuition, but on average, that's $65 a month. And so $650 for the year. But a tuition is $11,000. So we get to raise that other $10,000 plus dollars for the child. So we ask for people to partner with us. It could be a special event like Art Splash, which is our annual fundraiser that's coming up on April the 30th. It could be, I want to be a monthly donor. That's so exciting. And then another way that I think is easy and incredibly beneficial is called Scholarships for Kids. Because of the 2013 Alabama Accountability Act, as a taxpayer, any Alabama citizen can redirect 100% of their Alabama tax liability to a scholarship for a child.
Great.
And so that is so easy to do. It can take 15 minutes, and you can redirect 100% of your tax liability to a scholarship for a child at Montgomery Christian School.
So you can get in touch with you all. We'll put all the information up for you, and you will help walk us through all of these things. And thank you so much.
Love being here. Thank you
I love
so
it.
much.
And thank you very much for being with us.